Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Edie-Marie back again with another video, another upload, another tutorial for you. Today is a vlog kind of style video, and I haven't done one of these on my channel yet. So I'm kind of excited about that. I'm decorating my tree. My stepson, he helped me with that, and I'm just super excited to be in the holiday spirit. I know we haven't gotten through Thanksgiving yet, but coronavirus has really changed a few things for some people, and so it's very important to stay into the spirit. Your environment really affects your mood, so I wanted to really lively up my house and bring in some holiday spirit. So that's what we're doing. We're doing the tree. I don't want to make this intro too long, so if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please click that subscribe button. And for those who have subscribed and seen my videos, thank you, thank you, thank you. I know the jerk turkey video is going crazy right now. So I do appreciate those who have watched that already. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @thereal_Edie-Marie_. Follow me on there. I am active on my Instagram. So yeah, thank you guys, and let's get into this video.
Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too.
Alright, so as y'all saw, I got my tree from Treetopia for a decent price. I think this tree is 6 feet. It is the slim tree in black. It comes with clear LED lights on it already, and I think I'd be like $129 for it, so I feel like that's reasonable. I did get some flock from Amazon. This is the spray kind. I wasn't trying to really do the whole dusting thing. I just felt like that would have been more messy, knowing me. So I got these, so we're gonna see how this is gonna work to flock our own tree. Mind you, I've never flocked a tree before. So this will be a first experience for me, but it shouldn't be too hard. Alright guys, so now we're outside. I had to bring the tree outside because I want to flock it. Again, I've never flocked the tree before, so this is gonna be my first time. So we're gonna see how that comes out. I really only want to do the tips. I don't want it to be like too white because I want people to know it's a black tree. Two came in a pack. I don't know how much it is, but I will leave that in the link in the description box below. But we're gonna see how to use this. So I don't know how well it was picking up from far away, but this is how it looks so far. I don't want to go too heavy like I said, but I like it. It looks like something small. I'm in love. And this looks so gorgeous. So that's just the first layer we did. And my son is kind of going around. I'm gonna add.
You pressed. Look at her.
I'm pressed.
Excited. Yeah, it's all good though.
Yeah. I don't think y'all understand how much this looks like real freaking snow. Like, seriously. Alright, so now I guess, do I let it dry? I don't know. This side's heavy. Probably, if you're gonna add something, it probably needs to be to this back part. I got the twinkling bow from Amazon.
You got.
And this is what this looks like. I'm gonna start off with the topper, and so obviously I'm gonna have to fluff this out a little bit too, but it looks perfect. It's comes with this adhesive, I'm assuming, so I'm gonna have to round it out.
I'm taller. Look, you want
I'm gonna have to round it out.
No. Where's your TikTok?
Got these big ornaments. I'm not sure. I probably won't be able to put a lot of them on there, but it came in a pack of 6 like this. I got the blush silver gold metallics because that's kind of like the theme I wanted. And this was $29.99 at Micheals. I'm pretty sure you can get these on Amazon. The rest of my ornaments came from Amazon, but we're gonna see how we're gonna do these big joints. Okay, so what I realized was that I'm able to use the big balls. I just have to tuck them inside. So let me show you what I mean by that. Whoa. I'm not sure, son. I just had to tuck it in and then pull some of the pines up so that it didn't look like it was hanging or weighing down a tree. So now that it's like that, I really like it. So I'm gonna add some more balls and see where it goes from there. There's no right way or wrong way to decorate your tree. And that's something I have to constantly tell myself because I'm like a super perfectionist. And so sometimes I get in my head about stuff. But that's why I have my son here to remind me, you know, just chill. It ain't that deep. It's really not that deep. You don't want to take the joy out of actually doing something. So I do appreciate him for that. Aww. He thinks I'm crazy, I bet. The ones from Micheals didn't come with ornament hangers, and I forgot to grab some, so I'm definitely using this string, which I tie up chickens when I'm cooking, but it's tucked so you don't really see this, so it's all good. Ooh, to see, they came like this, and they have a little clip to clip on the tree. So I have 3. I think I ordered a lot though. This is gonna be so cute. They're gonna go like right here, right there. I hope this video is not too long, y'all. Look at that. So that, and it also has a clip.